Once a group of Vaishnavas were all going to a particular company to work. They would all go with tilak on their forehead. The tilak represents that they are all devotees of Lord Vishnu. On one particular day, the boss of the company changed and a Muslim became the boss of the company. He made an announcement that from tomorrow, no one should wear tilak. So the next day, no one wore tilak except one Vaishnava. He still came with tilak on his forehead. The Muslim boss told everyone that only this Vaishnava can wear tilak, not anyone else, because this devotee is bold and is ready to take risk. So in order to be successful in life, we all need to be bold and believe in what we are doing. When the first time a group of 6 devotees were sent by Srila Prabhupada to London to preach, all these 6 American boys and girls came to Srila Prabhupada to ask him some tip so that they can preach in London successfully. Prabhupada told them that in my childhood I had seen a movie of Charlie Chaplin. And in this movie, Charlie Chaplin was dancing in a ballroom along with other men and women. And someone played a prank on Charlie Chaplin. They put a gum on a seat, and when Charlie Chaplin sat on the seat and he got up, his coat tore apart. Charlie Chaplin went inside the bathroom and tore the coat completely. And he came in the ballroom and started to dance so boldly, enthusiastically. All the men thought because he has torn his coat, that's why he has become so bold and enthusiastic. Therefore, they all went inside and tore their coat apart. This is the story Srila Prabhupada told these 6 devotees to preach in London successfully. This was the tip that Srila Prabhupada gave them. All of them understood the message. So from day 1 in London, they would all do Sankirtan wearing dhoti kurta and saris with tilak on their forehead. And the result is the London Yatra became very successful. They could manage to meet George Harrison of the Beatles and make him a devotee. Why? Because they were all bold in their approach. We find in the Ramayana, Hanumanji, one single Vaishnava, going into Lanka, a place filled with demons. But Hanumanji was never scared because he knew he is doing seva on behalf of Lord Ram. And because he had faith in Lord Ram and he knew that he is doing the right thing, automatically there was strength and boldness that came. In Srimad Bhagavatam, we have the story of Prahlad Maharaj, a young lad in a place where everyone is demons. His father is completely objecting to his performing bhakti. But Prahlad was bold and strong. And the result is, he came out successful. Srila Prabhupada, at the age of 70, a 70-year-old man going to a foreign country and preaching, never scared because he is doing the right thing. So when we follow the right path, there is automatically confidence and boldness that comes. In the Mahabharata setting, on one hand is the Kauravas and one hand the Pandavas. The Kauravas have 11 Akshauhini Senas and the Pandavas have just 7 Akshauhini Senas. But if you see, the Pandavas were completely strong, bold and confident because they knew they were following the right path. So when people can be bold for wrong things, to follow the path of illusion, why can't we be bold when we are following the right thing, when we are following the path of Krishna consciousness? Therefore, the saying is, dare to be rare. I had seen this interesting picture of one of the disciples in ISKCON, one of the senior leaders in ISKCON, His Grace Gaurang Prabhu. Gaurang Prabhu is from IIT Mumbai. So this was an alumni photo with Gaurang Prabhu along with his other friends. And Gaurang Prabhu is the only Vaishnava dressed in saffron attire with tilak on his forehead. And the caption read, dare to be rare. So when we become strong and when we dare to do the right thing, we actually become very rare in this world. Krishna tells in the Gita, Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanamama Prapadyate Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabha. So Krishna says, out of many thousands and thousands of jnanis, out of many births, one person becomes very rare and he understands that Krishna is everything and he surrenders unto the absolute truth. Therefore, let us all be bold in life, bold to follow the right path, bold to follow the path of the absolute truth, and let us all dare to be rare.